Good morning everyone, welcome to Atkinsons Bullion and Coins. We just thought we would give you a very sneak first preview of the brand new and the final coin in the Queen's Beast range, which has just arrived with us. We have the silver 2 ounce in the monster box, we have the 1 ounce gold coins, and we have the 1/4 ounce in the smaller tube here as well. So let's not mess around today and let's just show you what we have. We're all excited to see how this new coin looks. The images certainly look very good, but let's just see how the coin itself looks. The coins obviously come in their 2 ounce coin. Each tube has 10 coins. They come in this monster box to us. Just get one of these tubes out and we'll get our first sneak look at the new Greyhound coin. Let's have a look. And there we go. The new Queen's Beast 2 ounce Greyhound coin. This has been a very successful range of coins for the Royal Mint, and I know a lot of you are excited to receive this coin to complete your collections, and we're already all thinking and talking about what the Royal Mint might do next, which is hopefully something exciting for next year. They come in these tubes of 10 pieces, and as you can see, monster box, full monster box, where you have all your coins. So let's have a quick look at the gold coins. Let's start with the 1/4 ounce. They come in the tubes very similar to the sovereigns, as they're a similar size. There are 25 coins in each tube, and again, if I prop that one here, we can get a proper look at how that looks. And again, I know there's a lot of you excitedly waiting to complete your collection of these coins. Already, as you know, most of these coins, especially the earlier ones, are fetching quite a substantial premium on their original cost price, over and above the fact that gold has risen as well. So all in all, it's been a very good collection to be a part of your investment. And if we take the 1 ounce, again, give you a good look at the coin, and if I just hold it and tip it up a little bit, it'll allow you to see exactly what it looks like. I think it's one of the better designs of all the coins. They've all been really good, but I do think the Greyhound is quite spectacular. And Her Majesty on the other side. There you go, guys. So we can, now you've got a look at these coins, we can start putting them in packets and getting them on the way to you. And I know our team are ready to get as many of these sent out to you this week as we possibly can, now that they're in stock. First allocation that we had is already sold out, and we are halfway through our next allocation of coins. So they've obviously been extremely popular, and good luck with your collections, and thank you from everyone at Atkinsons Bullion and Coins. All the best.